I have really good news. You can very quickly start to sell more, as quickly as tomorrow or today. There's so many different strategies that you could try. In previous videos, we covered how you could use email. The humble email. We've also covered how you could sell to your friends and family, which really, as a start, could be enough to get you off the starting gate or to get you out of financial danger. There's many different tools and strategies that you can use to quickly start selling more. This video is the first of a multi-part series exploring Facebook ads and how we, ourselves, managed to get Small Potatoes' Facebook advertising costs down to 20 cents per website visit. Hi everyone, I'm Edmund and welcome to Rise of the Small Potato, a series where we'll talk about marketing, writing, photography, how to make your customers happy, and so much more. Everything you'll need to run a successful small business. After months of experimentation, we finally got our Facebook ads costs down to as low as 20 cents per website visit. If you get the same results, that means if you spend just 100 ringgit on ads, 500 people will be looking at your products, thinking, this looks delicious. Honey, should we order some? If you sell higher ticket items like whole cakes, that means you might only need to sell 4 or 5 cakes to the 500 people that you attract to your website or landing page to be profitable. I think it's highly likely that you can sell 4 or 5 cakes to 500 people. That's 500 people who already saw your ad, who purposely clicked on your ad, saw your pictures, read what you wrote, and purposely clicked on Buy Now on Facebook. 500 of them, you can sell to 4 or 5. So here's the fantastic news. This is not complicated. If you want to get started with Facebook ads, there are a few principles that you need to understand before you get started. And I've highlighted it in a previous video, which I'm linking somewhere in this video or in the description below. If you're new to Facebook ads, that's the place to start, and then you can come back here and continue watching this video. Okay, let's get started. We're going to touch the surface and give you enough knowledge to successfully post up these ads on your own. We won't be covering the more advanced parts of Facebook ads, but you know what? You don't really need it, especially not when you're trying to get started. Before you get started with Facebook marketing, there are 3 fundamentals that you should pay attention to. Number 1, the first fundamental, and the most important part of Facebook marketing, or any marketing for that matter, is that you are making money from the marketing that you're doing. The old idea that marketing equals spending is outdated, especially when you can measure your results from digital marketing quite directly. Nowadays, marketing is supposed to be equal to making money, and your goal is to discover how to do that, in this case, with Facebook marketing. To ensure that you're making money with Facebook marketing, measuring your Facebook advertising performance is a great idea. You'll be measuring your return on investment. Are you still making money after you deduct what you spent on Facebook ads and after deducting on the cost of making and delivering your product? And remember, your time costs money too. And after all that, are you making money? The second fundamental is that your product has to be great. Yummy cakes, delicious home-cooked meals, beautiful, well-made jewelry. If your product isn't good, you'll always be struggling to get the traction you need to make your business successful. Because the core of a successful business is repeat sales. Repeat sales is great because it costs nothing to sell to repeat customers. And repeat sales means that your product is good enough for your customers to recommend to their friends too. Repeat sales is great because you're not always in selling mode. Sell. With repeat sales, you can focus on what you do best, and that's making amazing cakes, home-cooked food, one-of-a-kind jewelry. The third fundamental is that your product has to look great and sound great when you place ads for it. There's no point posting an ad for an absolutely yummy curry that makes your mouth water if it looks like a red blob of yuck in the picture. Aim to make people's mouth water. Make your products absolutely desirable. We've made a couple of videos to help you to do this, and we'll post up more in the weeks to come. Now that you have all three fundamentals taken care of, let's get into actually making these ads. In the next episode, we'll show you how we make the ads that get us results here at Small Potato. If you found this video useful, like this video and follow us, because that will help other people to discover this content as well. Till next time, take care of others and take care of yourself.